In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video on CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. This is a great effect if you want to create a fun transition, show a clip playing backward, or add a creative edit to your content. Whether you're making short-form videos, tutorials, or social media edits, reversing a clip in CapCut is quick and easy once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to work on. If you don't already have a project open, start a new one and import the video you want to reverse. Once your project is open, make sure your video has been added to the timeline. This is important because you need to select the clip directly before you can apply the reverse effect. After the clip is on the timeline, click on the video to highlight it. You should see that it's selected and ready for editing. Now look at the toolbar above the timeline. In that row of editing options, find the button labeled Reverse and click it. CapCut will now begin processing the clip so it can play backward. Depending on the length of your video and the speed of your computer, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. Once the reverse process is complete, preview the clip by pressing play in the timeline or using the preview window. Watch closely to make sure the video is playing backward the way you want it to. If everything looks good, you're done. You've successfully reversed a video in CapCut PC. This is a really useful feature, especially if you want to make your edits more dynamic without needing any extra software. You can use it for action clips, object reveals, funny moments, or any scene that looks better in reverse. And if you want more beginner-friendly CapCut tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.